You guys know that whenever I find something good, whenever I do something and it works for me, I always run to share it with you guys because that's literally what I cannot wait to do. And again, you guys know that vitamin C is one of our key ingredients for skin brightening and evening out skin tone on this channel. I always talk about vitamin C because I know how important this particular ingredient is. Sometimes when I watch my video, I used to say to myself, if I wasn't the one filming this content, I would definitely follow this girl. I would still do what she's saying because she knows her onions. So yeah guys, I would never lead you to anything that would harm your skin. I'm only sharing rare information that is not random out there. So if you come to my channel, always expect to get something good. So if you're not subscribed by now, definitely make sure that you're subscribed because what are you doing? I'm definitely your glow plug on YouTube, so don't joke with me guys. So on the journey to brighten my skin and get all that glow, I thought to myself, what is better than one vitamin C lotion? 2 vitamin C lotions, of course. My channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Dikoko, and I film videos like this one. I film skincare advice, skincare tips and tricks. I also film recommendation videos and also review videos, and then everything in between beauty and lifestyle. So if that is your cup of tea, definitely make sure to stick with us and subscribe to the channel, and be sure to click on the bell button so you're notified every single time that I post a video. And hey, my beautiful returning subscribers, you guys know you have my heart. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and please be sure that your notification bell is turned on as well so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Before we get into this video today, you guys know the drill. Please thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content, and also let me know that you like my content, of course. So I had filmed a video on top vitamin C lotions for brightening the skin, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a trick that I am currently using on my skin to brighten my skin and look even better and even radiant. I'm sure you guys are seeing that my skin is not the way it used to be. That is because we are doing the Lord's work in real life. So these are the 2 vitamin C lotions that I am currently using to brighten my skin, and this one is the Nivea Q10 with vitamin C, is the skin firming lotion, and this one is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Advanced Brightening Cream, and this one contains additional ingredients like ferulic acid and vitamin C, while this one contains additional ingredients like Q10. So now, why am I using these 2 lotions? Why can't I just stick to one, right? Now I'm going to answer that question shortly. First of all, I've shared with you guys the properties of these 2 lotions in that video, so we don't need to go over that again. And I told you guys that this one is a more thicker consistency for a vitamin C lotion. And now we are in the winter months, the days are getting colder, and I have dry skin on my body, so I decided to include a trick that would definitely help moisture last longer on my skin. And of course, as the product is lasting longer on your skin, the effect of the product even doubles on your skin. Now for this Nivea one, there is 2. There is one for normal skin and there is one for dry skin, and I usually would go for this one, which is the blue bottle for dry skin. The one for the normal skin, I'm going to put it somewhere here on the screen. They are basically the same thing, so do not think one works better than the other. So I use this particular one for dry skin. Now why I'm pairing these 2 lotions together, like I said, this one has a thicker consistency and this one has like a lighter, more hydrating consistency. So this one gives you like moisture, like deep moisture on your skin and long lasting moisture, but this one adds hydration to it for you. So now when I use this one on my skin, as much as it is a deeply moisturizing lotion, it dries into my skin and just settles. So what this one does is to add that water content and shine to my skin. And we know that as humans, we are majorly made of water, hence why our skin, body, nails, everything loves water. Now getting hydration back into your skin helps with the health of your skin in general. Now as you can see in that video, I recommended a couple vitamin C lotions. Why I chose these 2 in particular for my skin is because of the ingredients in it. Now we all know that vitamin C is a very rich ingredient in brightening the skin tone, as well as fading fine lines and wrinkles on the skin, also clearing dark spots and discoloration on the skin. So vitamin C is like one of the top antioxidants for dealing with hyperpigmentation and also brightening your skin tone. Now the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C also contains ferulic acid. Now I'm going to read out what ferulic acid does here, and it says that it prevents pimples and reduces appearance of discoloration from acne. It reduces reduces redness as well. Ferulic acid prevents the appearance of new blood vessels under the skin. Your skin will have fewer visible veins and less redness. Ferulic acid is actually anti-inflammatory. That means it will suit your skin. Also, for this particular one that has Q10 as an ingredient as well. Now I'm going to read out here the benefits of Q10 for the skin. Now the full name for this Q10 is coenzyme Q10, and it says here it is full of antioxidant properties that protect the skin from environmental stressors, energizes the skin, and helps your skin retain moisture. In addition to its ability to help even out skin tone, it helps reduce dullness and tightens up the skin. So this would mean that Q10 is an ingredient that would naturally help in firming your skin, which is a good thing, of course. Now these two lotions in all its glory contains vitamin E, and you know we also love vitamin E as well. Now let me read out what vitamin E would do for your skin. Vitamin E will stop your skin from losing moisture. It will protect cells from damage. It will soften your skin. And vitamin C is a natural antioxidant as well for the skin. Helps also in firming the skin and keeping your skin smooth and soft. It also would suit your skin. So if you have like inflammatory issues or redness on your skin, then this ingredient would definitely help with such issues. So now using these two lotions on your skin might seem like an overload of vitamin C, but then there is nothing like overloading vitamin C on your body topically. So this works well in just providing extra strength for your skin brightening effect. How I would use these two lotions is that I will use this one first, that is the thicker one. Then I would then go into my skin with the one with the lighter viscosity. That would mean that this has like a more runny consistency to also add more hydration and moisture into my skin. Now, of course, when I'm done using these two on my skin, which is not the only thing I would use, I would then use my beauty oil in additional to this to just seal in the moisture, but that is not something that I would do every day. And this I would use usually just during the daytime. And then after my beauty oil, which is the Golden Glow oil from Organics, I'm then going to use my sunscreen because this works better during the daytime. Vitamin C is an active ingredient that works better during the daytime, but it is photosensitive, so that would mean it is sensitive to the sun. So you can see that vitamin C is such a weird and tricky ingredient to work with. It loves the sun, but it is sensitive to the sun, so you would need to protect your skin with sunscreen. So definitely make sure that as you're using this vitamin C lotion during the day, you're protecting your skin with sunscreen just so you can get better results with your skincare. So I specifically chose these two lotions because these are the ones that are available to me, and the price points are not bad as well. And also the ingredients in it is what I was looking out for as well. So I love to pair the ingredients from this one to support this one. So now you can use any two vitamin C lotions of choice. You don't have to limit your choices to this one, considering the consistency and also your skin type. Now, how I use this, I'm usually very generous with use when it comes to my lotions. There's literally no reason for you not to be generous with your skin. Yes, it might cost you a little bit more to use a lot of product, but then that is the point because you're trying to make sure that you're moisturized, especially if you have dry skin like me. So now I would use about 4 to 5 pumps of this one, and then I would use about 4 to 5 pumps of this one as well. Now this is about 10 pumps for my entire body, which I think is rich and generous enough. So you might want to do same depending on your size, your body size. You might need more depending on your skin type as well. If your skin is a lot drier, you might want to be more generous, so you might use up to like 12 pumps. And the pumps, they are not so generous when dropping the product, so don't think you're going to be pouring in everything in one use. And now with these two lotions, since you're now using two, definitely these two lotions can last you about 2 months or almost 3 months depending. I have been using these two now for more than a month, I am sure, almost 2 months actually, and this is still almost halfway and this is halfway, so do not be wary of the size and how you're going to use the product. And now these two lotions also are not very expensive. I think this one is about $22 and this one is between $10 to $15, so they are a bit affordable in price if you want to consider the ingredient, which is vitamin C. Even though these ingredients are usually like watered down with like brands like the Nivea, but the thing is they are still inclusive in this and works a lot well in taking care of your skin. Now the result that you will get with a practice like this, using two vitamin C lotions on your skin, is that in like 2 weeks to a month you would see tremendous results on your skin. The skin brightening effect will be evident. People are going to ask you what you're using on your skin. People are going to ask you what is causing all the glow and radiance. So definitely expect something good when using these two lotions on your skin. What I would also say is is that there are different practices that would further make your skin a lot radiant and glowy. So you might want to check out my channel for a lot of other tips and tricks that I have shared before now. There are gems on this channel. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up this video to let me know that you like my content. If you have any question for me, definitely drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to get to that. And if you have any comment, of course, you can also drop it in the comment section. But if you want me to just know that you were here on this channel today, then drop some love hearts in the comment section for me. And of course, I'll do well to reply. If you do practice this and get results, please come back to this video and drop a comment to encourage someone else to also practice this for their skin, because we are our sisters keepers on this channel. We plug each other on how to glow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and as usual, I wish you guys a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.